box on this one, but
Yes, sir.
it's fine. I'm gonna play it until it breaks.
I know you said you still gotta turn it up and your box breaking and all,
Yeah,
but
you hear it go.
yeah. I'm coming in.
Oh, you're good.
Oh, y'all got fur.
It's hot.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Josh.
Josh.
We got a
Level 6, 18s. You can hear the back of the box clapping, huh?
So what is the system? What's your equipment real quick in here? What kind of equipment is there?
90 amp hour C-Max, Crossfire 16K, 2GC, level 6 18s.
In a fourth order?
Yeah.
Okay.
1 to 2 maybe, or 1 to 3 -ish.
Yep. All right. Very nice. Ford Focus?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. I know you said you still got to turn it up and your box breaking and all,
Yeah,
but
you hear it go.
yeah. Is the amp in the back? Can I come check it out? Awesome.
I was supposed to get a plate for the back, but it didn't come in time.
Sorry. There it is. Give them a thumbs up and subscribe, everybody. Nice.
I didn't drill the holes for those the threaded inserts very well.
Looks good.
Go see that.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Josh's system at the Sundown show in North Carolina. Looking forward to showing you all how it sounds. Give him a thumbs up if you haven't already, as well as comment what you like about his system. Pretty impressive to see him fit two 18-inch subs inside of his Ford vehicle. So this is the specs of the subwoofer. I was really curious to see what it was actually rated for. 4,500 watts RMS are these subwoofers, so definitely getting all the juice. And being inverted is a good thing in this fourth order because there's a sealed section underneath the cone. And I like the way he has his amplifier actually mounted the other way, so it's almost upside down with a good cooling flow system, so you can actually see the beauty of the back panel. Maybe I know eventually he actually added in an LED panel there so you can see the shot of that 16,000 watt system. So if you keep focused on the video later in the demo, you're going to see his box is actually tearing apart during the system. I really also like the way he has his solid bracing. Try not to break his glass. I'm sure he's blown it out before with a system like this. And the way he has his optimal amount of port area for this enclosure. And notice he doesn't have his headrests in, so it doesn't block any of the airflow. So keep an eye out on that box flex when we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on for daily videos I like to do on YouTube, JacobViral every day, as well as check me out on all my social media, JacobViral. Enjoy the demo.
The box is broken, don't worry.
It is?
Yeah, you'll hear the box on this one, but
yes, sir.
it's fine. I'm gonna play it until it breaks.
Yes, sir.
I still gotta turn the gain up a little bit. I haven't clipped yet.
Yes, sir.
do you think? Not too bad?
Dude, that's great, man. I appreciate the demo.
Think so?
Yeah. I know you said you still got to turn it up and your box breaking and all,
Yeah,
but
you hear it go.
yeah. Is the amp in the back? Can I come check it out? Awesome. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, anytime, man. I was supposed to get a plate for the back, but it didn't come in time.
Sorry. What was your name?
Josh.
Josh. Awesome. Thank you, Josh.
Josh.
There it is. Give him a thumbs up and subscribe, everybody. Nice.